This week's question, Rishabh, we've got it from Surendra Kumar, who's 36 years old, and his monthly income is about 70,000 rupees. He says he's investing for his retirement and his child's education after 15 to 18 years and wants to create a corpus of about 2.5 crores to 3 crores. Should he make any changes to his mutual fund portfolio? Should he add or remove any mutual fund schemes? Here are the details of his insurance and loan details.
So here's a well-diversified portfolio. Couple of important points. First thing is, if the returns on this portfolio will be 15% or slightly more, he'll be able to achieve his target in the next 15 to 18 years. But in case the returns are going to be in the range of 10 to 12%, then that corpus will not be 2.5 or 3 crore. It will drop down to less than 2 crore rupees. That is what that monitoring part is very, very important. And he need to make sure that the returns is around 15%, or you increase the SIP, because return is something which you can't control. So at least the per month investment can be controlled, which if it increases, then you'll be able to achieve a target. The step up SIP I have talked about a lot in my earlier videos. So I would suggest, why don't you just think about increasing your SIPs by 10% every year? So at least you have this step up SIP concept where by default your SIPs will go up by 10%. If not 10, maybe at least 5. So that you will be able to achieve your corpus. Because क्या होता है, I have seen and observed, I would say, thousands of people. One thing is very common. Again, when we talk about a particular goal planning, 20 years down the line, 15 years down the line, हमारी आज की इनकम के हिसाब से हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं कि मुझे 5 करोड़ रुपया चाहिए at the end of 20 years, और उसके हिसाब से मेरी करंट इनकम इतनी है. But again, we can be positive, we can be bullish कि ठीक है, फ्यूचर में मेरा इनकम बढ़ते जाएगा और जितने इयर्स आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे, your income will be much more than what it is right now. So आपको वो भी फैक्टर ध्यान रखना है. It means you don't have to stress out. आज आपके पास 10,000 की कैपेसिटी है, 70,000 रुपीज की कैपेसिटी है, 50,000 की कैपेसिटी, that's fine. Maybe 5 years, 10 years down the line, it will be 1 lakh rupees, it will be 2 lakh rupees. Consider 5 years ago आपके पास क्या कैपेसिटी थी versus आज. So planning has to be done very comprehensively. And he has talked about and showed this insurance portfolio also. Please do watch my earlier video on life insurance, because here I see a cover of 50 lakh rupees for a person who is 36 years old. I feel 50 lakh rupees is very less in today's time for a person who is 36 years old and has a family to take care of. It has to be more than, again, it's not right to just quote a popular figure of 1 crore rupees. It could be 2 crore, 2.5, 5 crore, maybe 1.5 crores. आपके assets के basis पे आपकी income और आपकी liabilities के हिसाब से it has to be decided. Same goes for health insurance. And the last important point about, उन्होंने जो पूछा था कि म्यूचुअल फंड स्कीम्स में कोई चेंजेस करूँ क्या? देखिए, म्यूचुअल फंड स्कीम्स हैं जो मैं यहाँ पे नाम देख रहा हूँ इनकी स्कीम्स के, मेरा एसेट इमर्जिंग, कोटक सिलेक्ट फोकस, आईसीआईसीआई ब्लू चिप, Reliance Small Cap, Aditya Birla Value Fund. So you would be fine with these schemes, but you need to understand the risk. आपका small cap भी है आपके पास एक value fund भी है, and all these things carry a high risk reward proposition. If you can keep it simple, like having some of the good mid cap schemes and a multi cap scheme, you'll be good with, because small cap or any other value or a thematic fund or sectoral fund will put you on a higher risk, and you may not have time to manage that. But again, analyze your risk profile. That is the key. Risk profile के हिसाब से तो आप small cap में भी सारा डालें तो फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. That is the key. See, scheme सारी अच्छी होती है. Always remember that everything is good. You need to decide what is good for you. Remember my earlier example. Even if I give you a poison, the best brand, trusted brand का, you will not eat it because you know that's not right for you. But वही चूहे मारने के लिए, you may use it. So just be aware of it. What is right for you.